Alone again? Good. You're in the perfect place to stay exactly where you are, lost, invisible, and waiting. Because let's be honest, being lost and alone has its perks, right? No one to disappoint, no awkward small talk, just you, your thoughts, and that endless scroll. The algorithm knows you're lonely. It's practically your best friend, feeds you exactly what you want to see. Other people, seemingly connected, apparently living. Perfect fuel for that quiet despair. So, you want to master being alone? Easy. Step 1. Wait. Wait for the phone to ring. Wait for that perfect invitation. Wait for someone, anyone, to magically sense your isolation and rescue you. Pro tip, they won't. Keep telling yourself, no one understands me. It's a classic. Guards you from ever having to be vulnerable. Next, dive deep into the highlight reels. Compare your unfiltered reality to their curated perfection. Feel that sting? That's the good stuff. That's the loneliness solidifying. Convince yourself everyone else has it figured out. Their laughter is real. Their friendships are deep, their purpose is crystal clear. Yours, still buffering. Got a weird hobby? A thought that doesn't fit the current online narrative? Bury it deep. The fastest way to ensure no one really sees you is to never show your real self. Blend in, nod along, be a ghost in your own life. Tell yourself you're too complicated, too quiet, too whatever for anyone to truly connect with. Or worse, that you're not interesting enough to even try. People say you need to find yourself when you're alone. You find pieces of yourself by bouncing off other people, by sharing, by risking connection. Staying locked in your own echo chamber, that's just marinating in your own unprocessed thoughts until they go stale. You don't find yourself, you build yourself, and you can't build a damn thing without materials, without interactions. So, you're lost, you're alone. Want the one trick to changing it? It's not comfortable. It's not passive. It's deciding that the pain of staying lost and alone is finally greater than the fear of doing something about it. That means one tiny, awkward, imperfect action. Send that text you've been overthinking. Say yes to something you'd normally avoid. Share one honest thought with one person, even if your voice shakes. The world doesn't owe you connection, you have to reach for it. Being lost is a state. Being alone can be a choice. So, what's it going to be? Another night with your reliable friend, the algorithm? Or are you actually annoyed enough yet to try something different? The void is patient, but life isn't. Your call.